This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging and powering the neckband. Low battery can block pairing. Once done, power it off and then press and hold the power/pair button to enter pairing mode. You'll see a blue/red flashing LED. At the same time, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and ensure Bluetooth is on and the screen stays active. Some phones limit scanning when the screen is locked. This gets both devices ready, so they can discover each other quickly without delays or repeated attempts. Once your phone is scanning, locate the neckband's exact name in the available devices list and tap it. You do this because similar gadget names can cause confusion. Selecting the correct entry prevents wrong pairings. If a PIN prompt appears, enter 0000 or accept the confirmation. Many neckbands use a standard code. After you tap, wait for a clear paired or connected status. Do not immediately close the settings. This stable confirmation ensures audio routing and controls will work correctly. After pairing, verify functionality by playing music or placing a short call so you confirm audio and microphone routing. If audio drops or device won't appear, make sure other nearby Bluetooth devices are turned off. Interference is a common cause. If problems persist, reset the neckband per its manual and clear your phone's Bluetooth cache or forget the device, then repair. This removes corrupted entries. One key tip: try line of sight within 3 meters when troubleshooting to rule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.